I have a really big problem. Fortunately, this holiday season, I was really blessed. Absolutely fortunate to get a lot of orders in a short amount of time. The problem that left with me is that I have a lot of scrap wood left over. That's a good problem to have. So what I'm gonna do with that good problem is I'm gonna build some chaotic boards with my leftover scraps. Here is my thinnest piece. Yep. No scrap piece left behind. Got some cool kids wanting to hang out. Carly? Is it Carly daddy time?
Yes.
Okay, I better finish up then. I'm about to do the second of 3 glue-ups for this chaotic board. Now I'm going to show you how to do this perpendicular line in this pattern. It's really simple. All I do is I take a strip like this that has a line, have it butted up next to wood like this, flip it perpendicular, just like so. That way when I flip it to end grain, it will have perpendicular lines on the board to give it that design. When I started this project, I was hoping to honestly make 4 boards out of this. Then as I was going through the process, I was hoping to make 3, and it looks like I'm only going to be able to make 2, which is kind of a bummer, but regardless, I'm pretty excited to see how this turns out. Shape the board, it's cut out, routed out, juice screws are in, handles, you name it. These boards, like I said, are from scraps from this past holiday season, just leftover remnants that I've turned into this product. And so I feel a lot of gratitude in making these because I couldn't do this without the support of all my amazing customers, and especially to you watching my YouTube channel. The fact that you took the time to click on that video and watch what I do means the world to me. It helps me get exposure for my channel, and I especially appreciate you for liking and subscribing, and especially sharing this video. was so much fun for me to build. If you like what you saw, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, I have a lot of great ideas for future videos for the rest of this year. But if there's something else that you want to see that you think I can do, please let me know down below. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.